Fine, good morning to all. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do word problems and estimating the products. That is our practice time 4 and practice time 5. Before starting this, let's revise the multiplication. Can anybody come here and wants to do this sum? Very good. All of you are ready? Good. So, I like your spirit. Let me solve the sum and you tell me whether your answer is right or wrong. Okay? Is it clear? So let's start. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3 1s are 3. Okay, this 3. Now here tens position. So put here 0. 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Now here, this 3 left, it is at 100 position. So 1s and 10s 0. Now start from this. 4 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, 3 1s are 3. Is it clear? Start adding. Yes. Is it right? Please match with your answer. Is it right or wrong? Hurry up everyone. I am waiting. Tell me whether it is right or wrong. Very good. All of you are saying right? Good. 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 2. 7 plus 4, 11. Plus 0, 11. So 1 here, 1 above. 3 plus 2, 5. Plus 2, 7. Above 1, 8. 1 plus 7, 8. Here 3 as it is. Okay. Now let's do the word problems. Yes. Your example is a packet contains 125 candies. A packet contains 125 candies. How many candies in one packet? That is 125. Find how many candies are there in 225 such packets. If one packet contains 125 candies, then how many candies are there in 225 packets? It's very simple. Candies in one packet. Candies in one packet is given. That is very good. 125. Candies in 225 packets. Can anybody tell? Yes, just simply multiply and you get your answer. Hurry up. Everybody do this. Hurry up, solve it. I am erasing the question. Please solve this. Hurry up, hurry up. 125 multiply 225. So, how many candies in 225 packets? 5 times 5, 25. 5 2s are 10. Plus 2, 12. 5 1s are 5. Plus 1, 6. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2. Now, this 2 term comes. So, 1s and 10, 0. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2. Now, just add. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0 plus 0, 2. 6 plus 5, 11 plus 0, 11. 1 here, 1 above. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 1, 8. Here 2 as it is. Is it clear? So, this number of candies are there in 225 packets. Okay? Sure? Let me discuss few more word problems. Now, see a word problem. A book has 236 pages. How many pages? 236. How many pages will be there in 125 such books? Means same books. In one book there are 236 pages. So how many pages will be there in 125 books? It's very simple. Number of pages in one book, 236. Number of pages in 125 books. When quantity in 1 is given and you have to find it out in many, you just multiply. Is it clear? Sure? So I am raising this question. Now start. Multiply 236 with 125. So you get the total number of pages. 5 6 are 30, 5 3 are 15, plus 3, 18, 5 2 are 10, plus 1, 11. We have used, put it 0. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, plus 1, 7, 2 2 are 4. 6 ones are 6, 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. Okay, 0, 10, 1 plus 7, 8, plus 6, 14, plus 1, 15, 4 plus 1, 5, or 1 plus 4, 5, plus 3, 8, plus 1, 9, and here 2 as it is. So, total number of pages you get, hurry up, tell me, 29,500. Is it right? Hurry up, everybody tell. Is it right? Match with your answer. Whether it is right or wrong, and tell me. Very good. 29,500 pages. Now moving to our next topic, that is estimating the product by first rounding of the number. For estimation you have to do round off. Okay? And already given in the statement whether you have to round off to nearest tens, nearest hundred, or nearest thousand. Yes. Now see, we are moving to practice time 5. It's very simple. In the estimate, I have written here the short term. That is, estimate the product by first rounding off. Estimate by rounding off nearest tens. Is it clear from the statement? Estimate by first rounding off to the nearest tens. So firstly, round off to this, to nearest tens. Underline ones, it is greater than 5. So automatically it's 60. Underline ones, it is also greater than 5. So it's 90. Okay? Is it clear? Now 60 multiply 90. I have told you in the multiplication that, see here, whenever the zeros are there, firstly left this. Only multiply non-zero. 6 nines are 54. Now 2 zeros remaining, put it here. The answer is this. Is it clear? Sure? Very good. Moving to one more. That is nearest 100. It's very simple. 365 multiply 173. Okay. We have to round off nearest 100. Underline this. That is greater than 5. It become 400. Underline this. It is also, because we have to round off nearest 100. So we are underlining nearest, underline to the tens. Also greater than 5. It's 200. Now multiply non-zero numbers. 4 2s are 8. 202. 4 zeros, put it here. Is it clear? Sure to everybody? Or is there any problem? You can discuss, hurry up. Is there any problem? You can discuss, make it fast. Okay? So now with these we have completed our chapter number 3. Practice a lot of sums of the chapter number 3 multiplication, because it's very important. The basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division are very important. A lot of practice is required. Okay? And still you face any problem, we are going to discuss your problem in our Zoom class. Thank you. Have a nice day.